The one major mistake many affiliate marketers make is not setting up a list. Affiliates will often send traffic that they generated to affiliate links rather than a list. When they do this, they are unknowingly making a bet that a visitor will buy on the first contact. Unfortunately, this is generally not the case. Visitors often need to be warmed up to a product through the course of multiple visits and additional information before they are willing to purchase from a person or a business. This is where building a list comes into play. Additionally, they can retain traffic, warm it up, and then direct it to different purchases in the future. This means that it isn't a one-shot deal. Instead, they can attempt to sell the same person multiple products over the course of time. Now, in order to do this successfully, the affiliate in question must purchase the necessary tools. I personally suggest using GetResponse for the actual autoresponder service. There's a link below this video. GetResponse is relatively inexpensive, about $15 a month, and comes with a formidable range of services such as marketing automation, landing pages, sales funnels, live chats, a website builder, and more. There is also a free version of GetResponse for beginners. Now it's time to build a lead magnet and opt-in page that relates to your audience. Your lead magnet can be a free giveaway such as an article, an ebook, or swipe files to give you a place to start. If you're not ready to make these by yourself or just don't want to spend the time, you can always find PLR items or go to sites such as Fiverr and have them made for you. Once you have created your autoresponder series, you will want to feed it into your autoresponder. Set up advertisements in the text for affiliate products you are planning to sell, and then create an opt-in form for your list. Once you have set up your opt-in form, the only remaining step is to drive various traffic sources to your opt-in list. Collect their email addresses and then wait for the commissions to roll in.